Hello and thank you for joining me. Today for my Create TV audition, we're taking a look at my Ukrainian grandma's blueberry dumplings, or Varenyky. What an honor to present to such an amazing panel of judges. Let's get to it.
First, let's take care of the dough. I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of water, and 1 large egg. I just want to mix that until the dough comes together, then I get it on the counter and work it into a ball. Then I put that dough in a bag and let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now let's work on the filling. I'm making blueberry because that is what my mom remembers her mom making the most, but you can use other fruits as well. I have 2 cups of washed blueberries, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a squeeze of lemon juice. You could even get fancy and add a splash of brandy if you wanted to. With all those ingredients in a pot, I just bring it to a simmer and cook for about 3 minutes, just until the berries have softened slightly but remain intact. Now cool the filling completely. Once the dough has rested and the filling has cooled, it's time to form our dumplings. On a lightly floured surface, I roll out my dough to a 1/8 inch thickness and use a glass or ring mold to cut my dough into small 3-inch circles. I then fill my dumpling skin with about 1 tablespoon of berry mixture, then I fold the ends together to seal, pressing out any excess air. You can also use a fork to crimp the edges. Once we have our dumplings formed, we cook them by dropping them in small batches in a pot of boiling water for about 4 minutes, or until the dough is puffy. We remove those, toss with a little bit of butter, and serve with sour cream. Doesn't that look good? For an extra rich preparation, you could put some of the cooked dumplings in an oven-proof dish, cover with some thickened cream and a pinch of sugar, and pop it under the broiler. This pan is maybe not the prettiest, but it was my grandma's, so I couldn't resist. So there you have 2 ways to enjoy my grandmother's blueberry dumplings.
So thank you for joining me today. I love cooking because it not only connects us to our family history, but it also connects us to the rest of the world. And that connection inspires me to keep on cooking and sharing, which is exactly why I love Create TV. Thanks again. Cheers.